If you're planning to go to Georgian Bay Island on a day trip and you want to visit Cedar Spring, then you'll have to do a prior booking because this is only accessible by boat. And I'll show you how you can do this booking in quick, easy steps. So you see, this is the launch point. And if you're day visiting, then you get a shuttle service which leaves this parking dock, and this service is available from Victoria Day weekend in May to Thanksgiving in October. And you will need a reservation. To make this reservation, the link will be there in the description. You come to this website, reservation.pc.gc.ca, and once you're on this website, this is a Government of Canada website. You see, you click on Day Use and then click on DayTripper Georgian Bay Island. Once you made the selection, you come and choose the date when you are planning to do the trip, and then party size. This is the number of people who will be going. You make that entry and then come down and do the search. So you see here, you get this map, and this is where the DayTripper boat only option is shown. Here you can see the legend, available, restrictions, not operating, and all of these are shown. And by just looking at, you will get to know what is the current availability. So DayTripper, this one shows green, and once you come here and click, you are shown the calendar. So you can see here the dates when it is not operating, it is shown here, and the dates which are available, that is shown. So you will have to make a selection of the time, and it's a half a day trip. You can see here one trip starts 9:30, the other at 10:30, and then 12. So you will have to choose your time slot. Once you make that selection, that is shown to you, and then it also mentions what all is available here: visitor center, mountain bike rental, interpretive program, picnic shelter, portable water, flush toilet, swimming, and easy trail for hiking and biking. There are no food service on the island. The reservation include inbound and outbound trip. So within that time, you have to come in and go out, which takes up approximately 15 minutes. So the location where you'll have the boarding point, I had mentioned that earlier, and the trip departs from the Cedar Spring at 4 p.m. No changes can be made to the reservation. So once you go and read all of this and click reserve, you will come to this review reservation detail where you are shown everything what you have selected. If you want to make any edit, you can go and make the edit here, and then read through this point, acknowledge and confirm reservation details. You will see this shopping cart where the total will get shown to you, and also this will be shown here in the cart. So once you have reviewed, you have again option to edit reservation or remove reservation. If you are satisfied, you just go and proceed to check out. On this page, you will have to sign in. So there are three options. Either you can sign in through your Facebook account. If you are not in Canada and you're traveling to Canada, then in that case, you have these two options. If you're in Canada, you might have used GC key at some point or the other, and it's easier to just use either GC key or Interact, and this way you will have everything at one place. Whatever the choice you make, I'll show you for the GC key. Once you click on continue, you come to this page, and here you have option to log in with your bank or GC key. I'm going with GC key. Enter username, password, and then you sign in after going through the credential. I made a video on creating GC key in case you're interested and you have to sign up. You can watch that video. So once your username, password is entered and you have signed in, you will come to this page, and here, once you come to the right top hand corner, you will see this one item in cart. So just click here. It will show up the reservation detail again, and you just continue, come down, acknowledge, confirm reservation detail, shopping cart is shown again, come down, proceed to checkout, review the policy, make selection, confirm the acknowledgement, confirm the account detail. You can update your account detail here in case it is required. Your name, email ID, address, phone number, everything will be shown to you. So once you check that and confirm the account detail, here in the occupant detail, either you choose I will be the occupant or someone else will be the occupant. Confirm occupant. After making the selection, then you will confirm the party information, how many adults, senior, youth and children are, and you will also provide the emergency contact number. Once the emergency contact detail has been updated, confirm party information, confirm, and then you go ahead and enter the card detail and do the payment. Once you do the payment, the ticket will be sent to your email ID notification on your parking booking, which you can download or keep it on your mobile as it is on your email and produce it when you go to the venue. And that's it, guys.